Get some energy out. It's been a long week already. Come on! Down around the corner, about a half a mile from here, you see them long trains running and you watch them disappear. Without the love, where would you be right now? Without the love.
No, I saw Miss Lucy down along the tracks. She lost her home and her family, and she won't be coming back without love. Where would you be right now?
Without love. Well, the Illinois Central and the Southern Central Freight got to keep on pushing, mama, cause you know they're running late. Without love. Well, would you be now? Without love. Such a grooving song. I think that's why it's so timeless. Well, I think it's timeless anyway. Others may disagree.
My birthday meal.
That's why you're here. Give it to me.
For the Illinois Central and the Southern Central Freight, gotta keep on pushing, mama. You know they're running late without love. Where would you be now, 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 now?
Without love. Well, pistons keep on churning, and the wheels go round and round, and the steel rivers lie floating hard on the mountains, they go down. Without love, well, would you be right now? Without love.
Where would you be now? Get up, baby, things are moving now. Well, they're moving now. Baby, baby, baby.
They're moving now. See the big train run? Well, the train is moving on. Oh, you got to keep on moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving.
Keep on moving.
Keep on moving on. Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Thank you.